Instagram has made it harder to grow organically. What worked for others in the past may not work for you now. In this video, I'm about to share how to grow your Instagram followers organically in 2020. Watch the video carefully from start to end and implement all the experiments I'm about to suggest. I'm sure you will be able to grow your Instagram profile more than you ever thought of. In October 2020, Instagram will turn 10. But businesses and creators on Instagram are still not sure how to grow on the platform. It is because Instagram has evolved throughout these 10 years. Instagram has become more sophisticated than any other social media website. Hack number 1, perform key actions to get your first 5,000 followers. To grow on any social media platform, there are only 4 steps to follow. First is identify the platform. Second is identify the key actions. Third is outsource or automate key actions or do it yourself. And lastly, analyze and repeat. Once you have identified the platform, identify the key actions on the platform. Key actions are actions that lead to discovery or awareness. Key actions are actions when you perform them, sends notification to other users on the platform. For example, on Instagram, key actions are likes, comments, follow, message, mentioning someone in your story or in your post. The next step is scheduling your posts. Once you have planned your feed, schedule your post so that it gets posted automatically. And then outsource the key actions or do it yourself. And the last step is analyze and repeat. Check what key actions are giving you the most returns and double down on those. Here's an experiment for you to try. On the first day, like 100 posts. On the second day, like 100 posts and follow 100 profiles. On the third day, like 100 posts, follow 100 profiles and comment on 100 updates. You will notice that you get more followers on the third day. What I'm trying to suggest is the more key actions that you perform, the more attention your profile gets. You should follow this strategy at least when you are having less than 5,000 followers. Hack number 2. Piggyback to grow your network. Find the popular profiles in your industry and learn from them. Check their top performing posts and publish something similar with your own twist to it. Similarly, you can gain an audience by engaging with the followers of similar profile as yours. Here's an experiment for you to try. Go to the popular profiles, reply to the comments that are not replied yet, like, follow and comment their likers and commentators. You're likely to gain a bunch of new followers. Hack number 3, post consistently. A lot of people confuse consistency with frequency. To be consistent, you do not have to post frequently. If you prefer posting daily, publish one piece of content every day. If you prefer publishing weekly, publish one piece of content every week. Don't worry about the engagement initially, just be consistent. Out of all the posts that you share, 1 or 2 may blow up and land on the Instagram Explore page. Hack number 4, craft a magnetic profile. Pick a niche that you're most confident about and craft content specifically for that audience. In your Instagram bio, use keywords and emojis. Mention who you are, what you do, and what is that you're offering to your Instagram community. You can also mention a link in your bio that points your followers to a specific landing page on your website. Design your profile feed in a way that makes it scroll worthy. Think of your profile as a website. Your goal is to keep the visitors hooked to your profile. Hack number 5. Use hashtags that are easier to rank on. Use hashtags naturally in your sentences, or if it is not possible, use them at the end of your caption or in the comments section. You are allowed to use up to 30 hashtags. You can have 3 tiers of hashtags: popular hashtags, less competitive hashtags, unique or branded hashtags. This makes your post more likely to rank as a top post under a particular hashtag. Hack number 6. Experiment with different formats to keep your audience engaged. Once you have gained followers, it does not mean they'll keep following you. You have to provide a constant stream of value in order to retain them. Make your posts educational, inspirational and share-worthy to keep your audiences engaged. Previously, there was a trend to publish infographic posts. Now there is a trend to publish carousel or swipe posts. Don't follow a trend blindly, experiment with all formats. You can try different formats like videos, tweets, photos, IGTV, infographics, engagement bait, swipe posts or carousel posts, story stickers, swipe up stories, blog post headlines and quotes. Hack number 7. Collaborate with influencers. Instead of buying shoutouts, try share for share with other influencers of the same profile size as yours. Give shoutouts in the stories or do live Q&A. When you go live with others on Instagram, it sends notification to your followers and theirs. It is mutually beneficial as you get exposed to each other's audience. Try these growth experiments and let me know how it worked for you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave your Instagram username in the comments section. I will follow you on Instagram and send you a free Instagram guide that has more growth tips for Instagram.